friends, and welcome to this business opportunity program. Corona pandemic, Amphan cyclone, and the other stress-giving situations has made us very tough. Friends, I've already started calling this lockdown exciting and an eye-opener. You must be wondering, why is she calling the lockdown exciting? Friends, because whatever activities were considered novel and regular have now suddenly become an act of strength and daring. When we step out of the house to buy groceries or essential things, our families get so worried that they ask us to be very careful and alert. They ask us to wear gloves and masks. We can't even go to the shopping malls or to the theaters to watch movies and relax. The tourism industry has got affected so badly because of these restricted movements. To keep our families and ourselves engaged, we have to think of so many different activities and games that can be played from home, and we have to take the support of social media and video calls to stay in touch with our friends and the outside world. And I call the lockdown eye opening because now that we are not busy living our rushed and fast paced lives, we have the time to think and ponder over the decisions that we made in the past. Friends, our present life is nothing but the choices we made in the past from the opportunities that were presented to us. Choices don't get limited to work and business. It can be anything about how you create your relationships and what efforts you take to maintain them too. It can be taking care of your family and your family's health and well being. Anyway, why discuss about the past? Let's talk about the future and that it is yet to come. Let's talk about all the good things we can do for ourselves and for our loved ones to make life easier, better, and enriching. And all of this is thoroughly based on the decisions and actions you take today. Friends, all those who are seeing and listening to me for the first time, my name is Sharmila Shettigar, and I'm a networker and a success strategist in the direct selling industry. I've always wanted to experience the corporate industry. So I started my professional career with JP Morgan as a senior risk operations analyst, which is the world's second largest people's bank. But my salary and holidays were decided by someone else altogether. So I was truly living my life? No, I wasn't. I was living a life that was decided by someone else. Finally, I quit my job, and since 2018, I started my full-time business and career with my lifestyle, and very soon I will achieve the prestigious rank of NTC, that is National Team Coordinator too. Friends, I'm the daughter of Mr. Harish Shettigar, who is a diamond leader in this company, and I really thank and owe my success to him because his one decision has made me eligible to speak to all of you on such a platform. I got the opportunity to give others a chance so that they can get inspired to take a life-changing decision too. Friends, what are the lockdown effects? As per me and my understanding, I see 5 major reasons that are causing and adding stress to our lives. First, Corona, its side effects and how to stop it. We've all been dealing with this. Second, unemployment and underemployment. Third, delayed salaries and salary cuts. And worse than all of this is loss of jobs. And fifth, closing down of so many businesses. Friends, today I'm here to give you a straight up solution to all these 5 issues through this opportunity. To stay safe from this virus, it's of utmost importance to keep ourselves healthy and make our immune system stronger. Because of the current situation, most MNCs have adapted to the work from home concept. We must also take advantage of this with the help of this technology. Friends, to fight this issue of unemployment and salary cuts, we must create an additional income source. We must shift our focus from hard work to smart work. We should start implementing the model of time multiplication. If you have lost your job due to any reason, or else you are getting your salaries late or getting less salaries, then I have a systematic, structured, and well-defined plan through which you can solve all the above problems and generate a weekly income for yourself and your family, which will mean and become much more higher than your current income. I can't even start to imagine the loss and issues of people who had to close down their businesses because of this pandemic. After investing lakhs and crores of money, into it. But today, I have got to you such a new age opportunity where there is no investment, no shops to be opened, no overheads, no expenses, because of which there will never be an element of risk. This is a no risk business opportunity. You can sit in the comfort of your home, be your own boss, work according to your own hours. There are no targets and there is no time limits. And you can start earning. And like we all know that man is a social animal. We like to socialize and talk to other people. We enjoy meeting others, but because of most of us are so busy that we do not have the time to do it. Friends, the situation is such that now, even if we want to meet other people, we cannot, because now staying alive is of utmost importance. And a plus point about this business is that it can be done from home as well as it can be done digitally through calls, video calls, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other such social media platforms. Friends, this is Robert Kiyosaki. He was a financial advisor to the American government. He is very well known and respected personality in the field of finance and business. And to top it all off, he is one of the best-selling authors too in the world. He says in one of his books called Cash Flow Quadrant that there are only 4 ways a human being can earn money in the world. First, you become an employee, wherein you work for someone else and fulfill their dreams and goals. Second, you can become a self-employed person, wherein you work for yourself, like accountants, doctors, shopkeepers, etc. Third, you can become a business owner, wherein you create a network or a team of people who will follow a set system like Tata, Birla, Ambani, and various other industrialists and business owners who hire thousands of employees and pay them a salary for their time and get their work done. They use the time multiplication concept and then they continue to become rich by the day. Fourth is that you can become an investor. Friends, here your money works for you. But to make money work for you, most people do not have the bandwidth to use lakhs and crores of rupees to use for investments. By now, you must have gotten a fair idea of these 4 ways to earn money. But I want to bring your attention to the left category people, to the self-employed and employed people. These people earn only on the basis of their own efforts. 1 person work, 1 person income. If they don't report to work, do you think the company will give them their salaries? The situation right now is the best available example for what I'm trying to say, friends. Because just in the month of April, more than 12 crore people were removed from their jobs. If a doctor doesn't open up his clinic, and if a shopkeeper or a shop owner doesn't open up his shop, will he be able to create an income? Think for yourself. If you fall in these 2 categories, just close your eyes and think that tomorrow, God forbid you aren't alive anymore. Then will your company pay your family and your share of salary to your family and children? Will your child or partner be able to open the shop and manage all that you are currently managing? Will your degrees, certificates, job or designation be given to your family members? Some will say savings. Until when will your family be able to survive on savings? Someday it will get over like a water from a pot. What about then? What will they do then? Would you like to see your family asking for financial help and favors from others? Honestly, I wouldn't like it. So I took a decision. But it is your life. And only you can take the decision for your life. Hence, I say once again, it is very important to have an additional income source in every household, friends. An income that will continue to come, even if we aren't alive in this world tomorrow. Our family will not have a financial issue. And today, I'm going to tell you about such an opportunity. Friends, the difference between traditional and direct selling is as followed on the screen. In traditional businesses, we require an investment. You require a shop. You need to invest 10 to 12 hours of your time daily. You need to hire employees. You need to give them their salaries. If you do not open the shop, your income is shut. And there is 100% risk because of all of this. It can never turn into a passive income. And whatever you earn is only 10 to 20% of your invested amount. Whereas in the direct selling industry, You do not need to sell products. You just need to use them. You don't need to open a shop or say to, generate a market out there. You have time freedom. You can work as per your own hours. You don't need to hire any, employees or give them salaries. So eventually it turns into a passive income. Friends, there are such good reasons that we can actually put and invest our time into the direct selling business, but most people aren't aware in the country. The CEO of Niti Aayog, Mr. Amitabh Kant, has been telling the country since 2018 that the direct selling is the future. Because in India, every minute there are 1 lakh plus babies that are born. And this is not going to stop. Because before Corona, as a country, we already had unemployment and underemployment as our two major issues. Now imagine with Corona and after Corona, what kind of situation will the working category of population be in? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam used to say that direct selling, or locally called as network marketing, is a business that every youngster should start because it is the business of the 21st century. Friends, to be honest, abusing the government or the party in power doesn't help when only less than 4% of the entire population pays their taxes. With this percentile, how are we expecting great things from the government? We must all be involved in such kind of work that you can pay the government lakhs and lakhs of rupees in taxes. And through this opportunity, you can do the same. Friends, me and my family pay these kind of taxes every month. And it's only because of this company and this opportunity. Friends, we are doing our part of building the nation and supporting it. Are you? To everyone who is listening to me right now, especially girls, ladies, and women, if you are a stay at home parent, a homemaker, working professional, or student, it doesn't matter. This industry knows no bias. In India, there are 53% women doing this business. And if I have to talk about worldwide equation, then there are more than 74% women who are into the direct selling industry. But still, most of the women in our country have made their lives about their kitchen and husband duties by giving up or by killing their own dreams, passion, and potential. Friends, it's not too late, but you just need to take a decision. You are just one decision away from bettering your now and your family's life. And just so you know, I'm married too, and I can relate with the issues you face in your life to balance your work and family life. But if you continue doing the things as they have been going on till now, you'll continue to stay where you are. Be an example to your children and family of what a woman can be and can do if she puts her mind to it. If you can't think for yourself, think of the future of your children and start. Because it's okay to start small, but making that start is important. Statistics say that in the year 2025, this industry will make 64,500 crores worth of business only in India. But I feel it will make far more business than this because I firmly believe that we all have the potential and willingness to do better, to explore this opportunity because we don't need any education, qualification, or technical knowledge. If you are above the age of 18 and have a PAN card, friends, you can start this business. This business is approved and recognized by the Indian government and has also tied up with Skill India and Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana too. And there is no other direct selling company in India that can say the same. Hence, I feel very proud to call myself a distributor of this company. Many companies come from other countries to do business in India and take all the revenue back to their respective countries. But our company is made in India, made by Indians, and supports the Indian economy. And My Lifestyle will be the first such Indian direct selling company to become a global player and bring the international turnover revenue back in India. Friends, if I have to talk about the quality, then our products carry not only the Ayush mark, but we have the Ayush premium mark, which means that they are exportable quality products. And India has only 6 such factories that make government standard authorized Ayurvedic products, and our products are manufactured in one such factory. This proves that how futuristic the management is of the company. They planned on going global from day one and have worked on the same from the very beginning. Plus, in April, things became even easier for us when our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, spoke about consuming Ayush products to build immunity. By using these products and recommending to others, you can not only make yourself and your family healthy, but you can help make our country become a healthy India. Friends, we have a range of products. We have Elements Wellness Health and Personal Care range, On Health and Personal Care range, New Star Personal Care, MI Home Care, India Grow for Agricultural Culture Care, along with Ahar food products. So all these ranges are available. These are some of our certifications for our products. Besides this, it gives me immense happiness and a feeling of pride that our brand, Elements, has received India's Best Healthcare Award in 2019 by the Times of India Group. Friends, I'm sure all of you are wondering and thinking to yourself, what do we have to do to start earning money, right? It's pretty simple. Do what you love to do. Do what you've always been doing. I'm talking about shopping. Mostly it's the ladies in the house that do the shopping, for the requirements in the house. So it would be easier for you to relate to what I'm saying. And if you are a man listening to me right now, pause this video and quickly call your wife so that you can both understand this together. Friends, all you have to do is shop. But the difference is that you shop from your own shop. Why do you want to buy from other shops and make them rich? Change the shop, change the brand, use the products, and if you like it, tell others. You must be thinking, is this it? Do I have to do only this much? Yes, this is all you have to do. You all were doing this all your lives for free. But now you will have to do the same, but you will also earn a commission. Let's take, for example, you watch a movie or series, yeah, and you like it. So you tell other people about it, right? Does the producer or director give you any commission for the same? No, he doesn't. But still we continue to do it because it is human nature. This is called word of mouth publicity. It comes to us naturally. From today, all of you have to think that you have opened a new online store and tell people about it. That's all. Start this business with a positive decision and continue to do it from your heart. With this company, you will have 9 different ways to earn: retail profit, sales turnover bonus, performance bonus, rank income, loyalty bonus, overriding bonus, NTC bonus, royalty income, awards and rewards. As a distributor, you get the products at a discounted margin rate of 10 to 40%. Sales turnover bonus, this is a weekly income. There are no targets, no time limits, no levels. You can earn up to 2,10,000 every week. Now, it all depends on how fast and how much you want to earn. It's completely your decision. Just like you can see in the screen, you started the business with one distributor ID. You purchased the products for yourself and your house. You like the products, so you told 2 of your other friends about this opportunity, namely Veena and Neha. They also started the business, and now you have 2 teams, Organization 1 and Organization 2. Veena and Neha have purchased 10,000 business volume worth of products in each of their own IDs. So your matching business volume is 10,000 BV. So that week, your income is 12% of the matching BV amount, which is 1,200 rupees. Now, just think, what did you do? You just shared this idea with your friends. That's all. Now let's consider next week. Veena and Neha share this idea with 2 of their other friends, and they join too and purchase products worth 10,000 BV each in their respective IDs. So this week, Neha and Veena will get 1,200 rupees as their commission on 10,000 business volume matching, 12% of it, and you will get double, which is 2,400 rupees, because your own ID will have 20,000 business volume as the matching BV. So 12% of 20,000 is 2,400 rupees. Now, some of you must be thinking, what if the business volume in both teams aren't equal? So how will that work? Like you can see on the screen, in Veena's team, Rashmi has purchased products worth 10,000 business volume, and Rupal has purchased products worth 15,000 business volume. So the matching will always be the lower amount, and in this case 10,000, which is why 5,000 business volume, it will not become zero or it won't lapse. Instead, it will get carry forwarded to the next week. So you have no loss at all. Friends, few months down the line, you and your team will continue to purchase products as usual and continue to sharing the idea, obviously. Your team will continue to grow, which in turn makes your weekly commission also grow too. And My Lifestyle is the only company that gives 12% on new joining and 12% on repurchase too, which makes it easier, simpler, and faster to grow your income in a compounding way. Few years down the line, the team will work in a particular system, and this becomes a passive income for you, like it has become for me today. The only difference is that I started a few years ago. And similarly, even your few years will continue to go. It will pass too, right? But only the outcome of your future will be different. Also, let me clarify one thing. This is not a member jodne wala business or chain system. Here, your income solely depends purely on the business volume and not on how many people are in your team. You can have hundreds of people who generate 10 lakhs worth of business, or you can have even 5 people who generate 10 lakhs worth of business. What matters is how much business was generated, how much business volume was generated, and not how many people joined the business. Friends, in My Lifestyle, you can take 3 IDs on one particular PAN card. Even I started with 3 IDs too. The benefit of this is that in the future, when your team start working independently and you have a matching baby business volume of 17 lakhs 50,000 in each of your 3 IDs, you get the potential of earning 8 lakhs 40,000 rupees every week. Hello, I said every week, not month or year. And monthly, you can earn up to 33 lakhs 60,000 rupees. Now it all depends on you, that how much how fast and how much income you want to generate in this business. This can be done within 6 to 8 months or even 6 to 8 years. That's completely your choice and depends on your efforts, because there is no criteria as such. There is no time limit. So it's completely on your potential. And me and my family together and many other leaders in the company are earning this kind of income already. Just like I said before, the difference is only of a few years and your decision. Friends, next is a performance bonus. 1.5% of the company's global turnover is distributed among the distributors who achieve their targets. This is a monthly income category. Similarly, there are different monthly incomes like rank income, loyalty bonus, overriding bonus, NTC bonus, which is given by the company from the global turnover after achieving the national team coordinator rank and achieving particular targets. There is also royalty income and awards rewards like laptop, bike fund, car fund, apartment fund, and villa fund is also given. Friends, now the main question is why you should start doing this business. Why should you get involved in this industry? The income generated in this business can be of financial security in your old age. If today you start building a strong foundation and create a network that follows the company system, then in the coming years, the team will work independently and you and your family will continue to get 12% commission on whatever business volume is generated in your team. In the corporate or outside world, no matter how big of an engineer, doctor, surgeon, teacher, or lawyer you may be, after you retire or die, will your title, job, and salary be given to your partner or children? You know the answer to this question. See, friends, I'm not against anyone doing a job. I've done it too, or being in the job sector. But being just in the job sector, honestly speaking, your dreams, your time freedom and financial freedom is not going to be possible. And it's not going to be possible by just being an employee or a self-employed person. Because we all work at the end of the day for the money, right? No one enjoys leaving home early in the morning with incomplete sleep and not getting time to spend with their loved ones just for fun. It's a need. Only those who have a financial security can follow their passion. I'm one such big example for this. Because, like I mentioned earlier in the start, I had an interest to work in the corporate industry. So I did it. But along with that, I also made sure of creating an additional income source. Let me give you a very basic example. Whenever you travel, your family will always tell you, don't keep all your money in one place. What if that bag gets lost or robbed? So I don't understand, why do people keep only one source of income? What if that one source of income is taken away? What are you left with? Nothing. Hence, friends, create an additional income. Don't wait for another corona pandemic situation to arise. Start building now so that you can be prepared for the future. It's wiser and sensible to dig a well before you feel thirsty. Right now in India, jobs aren't available. Before corona, it wasn't available either. So, what will be the situation in the next 10 to 20 years? Neither of us can even imagine it. See, friends, I feel responsible for the future generations, for my future generations. So, I have created a roadmap from this opportunity to make them financially independent and secure. Now, it's your decision of what you want to leave behind for your future generations to come. Or do you wish to see them struggling for your finances? It's completely your decision, friends. For the benefit of our team, my younger brother Shashank Shettigar, who is also the company's youngest international team coordinator and platinum rank holder, will now soon become a diamond too. And I have created a website called www.harmonygroup.biz. You can use this website to see successful My Lifestyle leaders, their achievements, their photos, and their trainings too. You can use this website to close a sale. It's a supermarket to close a sale, friends. And at just the age of 25, Shashank is the youngest, is India's youngest BMW X7 owner. And I'm telling you only because you can realize the potential of this business and compare other 25-year-olds that you know who can achieve this kind of life but are stuck and struggling to find a basic job. It's not fair because it's nature's law, friends. If one human can do it, others can do it too. If Shashank can do it, you can do it too. We all have 24 hours in a day. How well we utilize it and how well we utilizes it, and where we utilize it, I'm so sorry, where we utilize it is important. So please do not go ahead and call it luck or good fortune. This opportunity is available for all. Later, don't say that nobody gave you this opportunity or nobody even told you about it, because I just did. Every month, including TDS and GST, he pays more than 3 lakhs rupees tax to the government. There are millions of people in the country who don't even earn 3 lakhs annually. And here I'm just talking about the taxes, that too every month. Friends, when you get this kind of income, then there are many beautiful places in the world to see. Many people are such that they don't even have the money, which is why they've not even made their passport. Friends, I'm telling you, make your passport. Grow along with us. Create such a great income source and see different countries. And buy all those amazing things that your dreams are made up of. These are some of the countries that I visited. Not just visited, rather, but spent luxurious holidays at. Friends, like this is Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Dubai. I've been to Dubai 4 times. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Malaysia and Langkawi, Switzerland, and Sri Lanka was my latest. Friends, it's the time to work smarter and not harder. We are very lucky that we have a digital platform through which we can connect with the world so easily and speak to thousands of people at one given point of time. First generation networkers, like my father, didn't have Zoom, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube kind of platforms. I always encourage people to use social media and treat it like your best friend to develop your business 10 times faster. I don't know about you, but during this lockdown, I created my own YouTube channel to make other people get onto the path of success and freedom, to build their confidence and to inspire and teach people on how to increase their income and decrease their level of stress. You can just type my name, Sharmila Shettigar, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive automatic updates and notifications on your smartphone whenever I post a video. Friends, in the end, I just want to ask you two questions. You know, you don't have to answer me, but you just have to answer yourself, and please be honest about it. First, when you were younger, what were your dreams? If you are young right now and listening to me, where do you wish to be in the next 10 years? Do you wish for a house, a car, or just to travel different countries like me? Second question, did you fulfill all those wishes and dreams? And for the younger generation listening to me, do you think you will be able to fulfill all your dreams, that you just listed down in the next 10 years if you continue to doing what you're currently doing? If your answer is no, you know what you need to do next. Get in touch with the person or friend who has sent you this video, and they will be more than happy to help you take effective actions to begin this enriching journey. Friends, to end, I would just like to say that now that you have thought about your dreams, ensure you get onto the path of achieving them too. Take that first step. We are here to guide and help you through this journey. Because, friends, when any household starts receiving an income that is legal, moral, and ethical, then the happiness increases too. Because everyone's dream starts coming through. I hope and wish that every person listening to me right now doesn't only think about their own self and family, but also looks to bettering the lives of other citizens in our country. Because together we will always achieve more. And like my father always says, we build the nation by building its people. Thank you for taking out the time to listen and, most importantly, understand all that I have said and shared. But now it's time to start implementing the same. Thank you once again, and God bless us all. Thank you.